Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this fresh, simple broccoli salad. So if you would love to know how I made this amazing dish, please stay tuned. Bacon bits that are already cooked, some dry oregano, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some feta cheese. Here I used feta cheese that has herbs in it, 2 tablespoons of mustard sauce, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, 1 cup of juvenile carrot, 1 bunch of broccoli, and half of an onion. So first we're going to start off with our juvenile carrots. What we're going to do is first season them with our oregano, and then we will add some salt and pepper, then lightly toss it to make sure that it is evenly coated. Once you've completed that step, then you're going to take it to the microwave and microwave it for about a minute to a minute and a half. If your microwave is like mine, you select the dual cooking setting and then cook it under fresh vegetables. So we'll choose the fresh vegetable type. Once those have been completely cooked, we will then move to the next step. The next step will then be to separate our broccoli florets. What you want to do is to separate them such that you can easily consume them. I would love to take this moment to tell you how to prepare your broccoli. You will just wash your raw broccoli with a bit of water, pop it into a bowl, and then follow the same step as you did with your carrots. You will then just microwave it and then just monitor. Once it starts turning a vibrant green color, that means that your broccoli is cooked. Now back to these steps. Once you've finally chopped off all the stems from your broccoli florets, you will then take your salad bowl. In that salad bowl, you will then add your broccoli florets, and then you'll also add your juvenile carrots. After that, you will then add your cooked bacon. Then you will chop or dice up your red onion. You will make these pieces to pieces that you prefer, because not all of us love onion, so you might also not use your whole entire half of an onion, so that will also depend on how much you love it. You will then add your feta cheese, or sprinkle your feta cheese on top, and then you can toss your salad just to make sure that it is evenly mixed, and then you can set it aside. Next we'll be doing the dressing. For the dressing, you will mix your mustard sauce with your mayonnaise. You'll also add some oregano leaves into that. You can season it with pepper and salt if you feel like you don't have enough salt in your salad, but you should not worry about the salt, because the feta cheese will compensate for that. And then once you're done with that, you should mix your dressing, pour it into your bowl, and toss your salad, and that is it. You'll have your fresh, lovely broccoli salad. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned on this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up.